How's it going, everyone? I just wanted to show you guys a little vlog of my past month here in October, and hope you guys have fun with it and enjoy. Come on, everybody, we are going to the Passion Tour, and we're just waiting for a couple people to get here. And Ate, who are we going to see today?
Something Stanfield.
Yeah, we're going to see Christian Stanfield today. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. We're going with the worship team and the younger youth band. That's them. There's Hannah, Laura, Linda, Alicia, and Ivy. Yeah, we're just waiting for a couple more people, but it's going to be awesome. There's everybody else over there. And catch in with you guys later. So we just finished the concert. Got some backstage, but I don't think we're gonna go. We got too many kids. It's only for college kids, but it was a good time. We had a lot of fun, and the voices are dead, but yeah, it was awesome. Awesome. Where are we?
We're meeting Christian Stanfield.
We are. We're behind the stages. We're meeting Christian Stanfield.
I want a picture with you.
No.
Oh my god, that's so sweet.
How's it going, everyone? I'm here at DIA waiting for my flight to Minneapolis, and so far everything's been going good, except for I've got an hour delay on my flight, so this seems to be a reoccurring thing for me. Hopefully it's not too bad though. I'll probably have to grab something to eat. I'm starving, and there's this really nice steak place that I might want to try, but other than that, I am pretty excited for this trip. Random Asian guy in the back. Was he Asian? I don't know. Okay, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go look around and catch in with you guys later. Bye. How's it going, everyone? I just made it into Minneapolis. The flight was seemingly a lot shorter than I thought, but it's cool. I'm walking to meet some of the empty stage event staff, and we'll see what we do today. See ya. Morning, everyone. It is Saturday, November 2nd, and it's the big day. So right now we're about to grab brunch or lunch, something like that. And after that, they're gonna show me around Minnesota a little bit, and then we're gonna have a potluck and go to the event. So I'll try and take some pictures for you guys, and hopefully I can vlog on the way. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Everyone, we are at Hmong Village, and I'm with Jerry, Lou, and Gao Yi, and so they're just showing me around. It's pretty cool stuff. Feels like Hmong New Year's all over again. But we'll just. Where are we going?
I have no idea.
Okay.
It's the food court.
We're going to the food court. Hopefully the food's good. And see you guys later. Okay. Very cool. Where's your favorite place to eat? Okay, go. Let's go. I feel like a tourist here. I've got Kalia Yang here, and we're just rehearsing before the show starts. And so I just wanted to thank Kalia for being awesome and sounding great. So anything you want to say to your fans, to your whoever?
Alex is really good.
You say I talk weird and sound different when I sing.
said that he talks different and sings.
Can you elaborate on that?
You don't sound, the way you sing don't sound like that.
Me feel this way, feel like I'm on top of the world. And I found you, easy for me to say that you're the only one, girl.
How's it going, everyone? We just finished the show, and unfortunately I totally spaced on getting someone to take a video of me, but I'm getting better. I don't really vlog, so it gets hard, but the show went well. I sang an original song called Far, and I think it went really well. I think, yeah, I mean, it's not on YouTube, but hopefully it will be soon. And again, I'm so sorry that I didn't get any video for you guys, but hopefully you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys later.
But I think that you're the one for me. I know that no one else can make me feel this way. Feel like I'm on top